Scientists spend a huge portion of their time dealing with manual data tasks, manually saving data off instruments, running repetitive analysis in Excel or analysis apps, and then data entering results into their ELN or LIMS, QMS, LES, or MES. But there's a better way. Ganymede powers instrument data capture and data automation at every step of your science and builds a data lake as it goes, both automating scientists' work and standardizing data centrally for data science and IT. Let's say you're running samples on an HPLC. With Ganymede, you can automatically load work lists from your ELN. Ganymede then automatically captures the results in the cloud, associated with the sample context. Ganymede's file system has rich scientifically aware tags that make searching a breeze. This data is then automatically parsed into a standardized tabular database format. Ganymede can run automated analysis like customized peak finding, and Ganymede can easily visualize all your data or compare runs using rich visualization tools. Finally, the analyzed result data you want is then automatically entered into your ELN or LIMS. What about a central data science or IT team? Every single data point in Ganymede is always fully reproducible and traceable. From analyzed data to raw source data, every version of the logic is saved in a GitHub repo. This forms the basis of an advanced data strategy to power AI. It's 2024. Do you know where your data is? Visit www.ganymede.bio to learn more and get a demo.